What you say? Tell him, Walt. Get down.
You guys can both share.
Ready? Go. What's the tractor say?
Caca!